Are you facing issues with bulk pinning using RSS feeds? Has your feed stopped working ever since WordPress 6.1? Don't worry, we've got you covered. First, let's confirm the problem. Head over to rsboard.org RSS Validator and paste your RSS feed URL. You'll notice the error highlighting the invalid format caused by the decoding attribute. This decoding equals a sync code is making your feed format invalid, and Pinterest won't pin new posts if your feed isn't valid. But don't worry, there's a simple fix. To resolve this, you'll need to add some code to your WordPress functions.php file. Navigate to your WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance, then Theme File Editor, and open the functions.php file. Now, add this code snippet to your functions.php file. Save the file and head back to rsboard.org to test your feed again. Paste your RSS feed URL and validate. This time, you'll see the feed is valid. With a valid RSS feed, Pinterest can now recognize your feed and start pinning new posts again. Now, create a new post to test if Pinterest picks it up. Wait for 24 hours to test if bulk pin working again. That's it. You've successfully fixed the issue with Pinterest bulk pinning using RSS feeds. Remember, keeping your RSS feed valid is crucial for seamless pinning. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on maximizing your Pinterest potential. Happy pinning!